Well, the first firing. As you can see, the cylinders, cylinders are not on. Well, all the plugs are tight. Got a full boiler. I did cheat, I used half boiled water. You see, pipes are on, it's just not focusing very well. Oh, there it goes. Focus now. So, slow and steady at first. Hoping steam will come out, well, steam should come out of the chimney, but also that middle pipe, that middle hole. A moment though. There's no steam coming out of that. Yeah, no steam coming out of those brass, so the copper rivets. They're directly through to the boiler. No steam coming out of the water level plug. It's been a few minutes. Now we've got steam coming out of that pipe. I've also got water. I just need to revisit the washout plug. Well, actually I'm going to put some gasket seal on that as well at some point, because that's just leaking slightly, boiling over slightly, and putting out the fire. But look at that. I can't see it on that video. But yeah. Oh, there you go, you can see it out of the video now. I have steam coming out. I was just digging out some sludge, but there's steam coming out of the pipe. So yeah, I've just topped up the fire. This will be the last firing for today though, because I don't know how much water I've got in the boiler left. Oh, now it's priming. So it's time to drop the fire, I think, don't you? Apparently that is quite normal for these models, actually. You hear about this when they're new. This is because of sludge and crud that's built up in a boiler. Bits of solder, bits of things, and that's what causes that, apparently. And it's just one of those things you've just got to put up with, let it all come through before it stops doing that. But yeah. Got that head of steam now coming out of there. But yeah. Well, I'll let it. How's the fire doing? Yeah, of course I'm having to use my steam engine thing, which is completely and utterly wrong. Holder. So anyway, let's have a look. Come on, back up, thank you. Yeah, not a single bit of steam leakage from the back of the boiler. Those rivets, or the water thing. Bear in mind that's had a new boiler insert soldered in that I had today. So that's 3 places it could leak at the back, and it's not doing. washout plug seemed to stop doing whatever it was doing, so maybe that's sort of like half sealed itself, I don't know. And no water, no steam leakage on that joint. And I think the most importantly for steam is coming out on this side, not on the other side. I think. Yeah, it is, definitely. So that means the solder, the back end of the plate's alright, that one anyway. So I think that'll do. When was the last time this was steamed up? Anyway, that'll do for today. Toodaloo.